Welcome. In front of me is an ALCATEL U3, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from the phone to an SD card and vice versa. And to get started, you will want to open up the File Manager application. As you can see, it's right over here. Let's grant it permission to access storage, and you can see both of these storages at the bottom, so phone and SD card. I'm going to start off with the phone itself, and in here, as you can see, we have a bunch of folders, but there's only a couple of them that are worth mentioning. So that would be DCIM folder, which will contain pictures of videos captured with the device. Then we have the downloads folder, which will contain anything that I have downloaded on this device. And lastly, we have pictures folder, which contains screenshots on here. Now, also, that is where my files are that I'm going to be moving. So that's where they are located. So once you find your files, what you want to do is hold it. As you can see, it becomes checked in this weird way. It gives you a number of checked items right here. You can tap on additional ones to select more. And once they are selected, you can tap on the three dots right here. There we go. And you can select to either copy them or move them. Copy or cut in this case. It's basically the same thing as move. So select which ones you want. I'm going to go with the cut option. And from here, you want to navigate to the location that you want to move those files to. So I'm just going to back out to here and go into the SD card as an example. And in here, you can see that we only have two folders. You can create a new folder if you want to by tapping on the three dots and creating folder, as you can see right here. But I'm not going to bother. I'm just going to stay here, click on the clipboard, and that's going to move the two files to the SD card. And that is how you could transfer any kind of files from one location to another. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.